Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt. Just got back from Red Bay, a hot and humid Saturday across the area, but the storms have held off so far today. Still could see some development tonight, and with any storm that we see tonight or tomorrow, just keep an eye to the sky because some of those could be severe. We're talking damaging straight line winds with any severe storms, and some of those could pulse up to the severe level with some large hail, kind of like what we saw yesterday. So we'll have to keep a close eye on radar tonight and also into tomorrow. I want to go ahead and show you what's going on. We're tracking some stormy weather across Tennessee. There were even a few tornado warnings there north of Memphis earlier. A little bit of wind energy in this particular part of the system here. You know, a lot of times early June we get in these active northwest flow type setups. The setup a little bit different here. We got a boundary approaching from the northwest, and some of these storms, they'll kind of develop a little closer to home through tonight and tomorrow. And I'm thinking this evening, at least based on the latest futurecast, we could see some development already. Seeing that looks like one little thunder shower here north of Hamilton to the northwest near Red Bay. Also looks like some development there just north of Utah and Jasper. No lightning with that, just a couple of tiny showers at the moment. But look at futurecast. Now again, we're seeing the current time. We take this forecast radar into the future around 8 or 9. This would even suggest more scattered showers and storms across West Alabama, and then even by 10 o'clock tonight, maybe some areas still seeing rain during the late evening hours tonight. But this should all wind down after midnight. Just keep in mind there could be 1 or 2 strong storms. We can't rule that out in this particular setup. And then tomorrow we do it all over again. This would even suggest maybe a little rogue storm possible tomorrow morning in this active pattern. And then as we go into the day, most of the focus for the heaviest rain tomorrow seems to be in areas along and south of I-20. I've looked at some different data here. I'm thinking also there could be again a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms. So we'll be watching the setup tomorrow during the afternoon again for some showers and thunderstorms, but it looks like that greatest chance or greatest potential will be there across southern sections of the area. So here's a look at the satellite radar, and if you look closely, you can see those little textured clouds off to the west of us. That's the cumulus clouds. This is a great tool this time of year. Often gives you a good idea of where we're starting to see some of that development. But quite a healthy disturbance there rotating by to the north, and you can see how that's pulling that boundary southward, and that's going to bring that better chance, better coverage of showers and thunderstorms. The Storm Prediction Center also has a slight risk for severe weather in place tomorrow. So this is a setup we're going to have to watch closely, kind of like what we had yesterday. Some strong to severe storms not out of the question. Now tonight, lows in the 70s, very, very muggy. Notice how we're hanging on to the chance of wet weather right on through 1 a.m. So the chance for a passing thunderstorm will be there tonight. So don't be surprised if it's late tonight and you hear some loud thunder outside. Tomorrow, 82 around 10 o'clock and then 87 around 1. I don't think we'll quite make it to 90. Better chance for some storms tomorrow. Now the storm should thin out quite a bit on Monday, and the temperatures will approach 90. Monday may actually be the hottest day next week with the warm temperatures out there. Facebook.com, Wes Wyatt Fox 6. If you have any questions about the forecast, also you can find me on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. I'm back tonight after the baseball game on Fox 6 with another updated futurecast. We get those updates several times during the day, so I'll have some fresh data to share with you, and of course a radar update. See you tonight at 9.